to mingle with our fellow pet parents. And we also have a lot of, we also have several partners. I really wish that you visit them. Each of the booth, you will be able to learn and get a lot from them as well. And on our booth here, we also have free vet consultation, and at the same time, we also have some NextLearn Spectra products that you can actually avail. Of course, that's good thing because we have resident vets that we have in here. I will not take it so long. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta and welcome to the 2025 Pets Day Time.
Alright, there you go. Thank you so much, Doc Mike Banawa. No? That was the video earlier was a very nice trip down memory lane, no? Ayan. And of course, for the sake of all the fur parents here.